Hey guys, welcome back. Merry Christmas. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you 6 easy DIY tips and tricks for helping you take down your Christmas decor, and the best part is they're totally free. And welcome if you're new. Merry Christmas. Olivia here at Olivia's Romantic Home. And in today's video, I cannot wait to share with you some Christmas takedown motivation. Okay, you guys, I went crazy this year for Christmas, decorating everything that did not move. Trust me. And so I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to make the Christmas takedown process a little bit easier. I like to use things I already have on hand. I don't buy a lot of fancy storage. So maybe let's give you guys some ideas. Now, this is episode 5 in my huge home sweet home series. In this series, we are going to go through the winter months and into spring, tidying our homes, doing a ton of Dollar Tree fun crafty decor projects. We're going to make our homes look boutique gorgeous on a budget. I love to share with you guys just my little fun ideas. So thank you guys for being here. But without further ado, go ahead and grab some boxes and some toilet paper rolls, your vacuum, and let's get our Christmas tidy motivation on. Let's do this, you guys. My first Christmas takedown tip is to grab a laundry basket or any kind of basket, and we're going to call it our tidy basket. I'm going to use this laundry basket to take down all of my ornaments and put all of my ornaments that were on this Christmas tree. That way I can see everything that I have and know the size of boxes that I'm going to use to store my ornaments. It also helps you be able to move things around easily and just kind of containerize things. When I go to organize, that is one of my biggest things, is to have some sort of container, I guess, to give me a little bit more feeling of control. To me, it's perfectly clear I'm falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. So this year I totally went to town decorating for Christmas, you guys. I decorated 5 different Christmas trees and I had so much fun. But I know undecorating them and storing everything is going to be a bit of a challenge. So if you guys did a lot of decorating, I really hope this video helps. So here I have all of my ornaments now sorted into the tidy basket. Now I'm going to begin to go ahead and take all of my ribbon down. So this is the process I go with. I start with the ornaments and then I take down my ribbon. So for the second tip I'm going to share with you guys, I use empty toilet paper rolls and I use those to wrap my ribbon on. I repurpose and reuse so much of my decor, especially my ribbon. If you guys have seen any of my Christmas trees, I am a total ribbon junkie. So I just added a little piece of tape at the base of the toilet paper roll and then wrapped the ribbon around that toilet paper roll, and then I'm using another piece of tape to just go ahead and tape the ribbon on, and that should pretty much keep it held on there. I'm using double-sided sticky tape, so it's a little bit stronger, but you guys can really use any tape. You could also use a little pin, like a sewing pin. And so I'm just going to continue to go ahead and take this ribbon down and roll it onto the little toilet paper rolls. And the toilet paper rolls are easily stored in a little Dollar Tree shoebox size, or I've also just popped them into my ornament storage box. Sometimes I'll keep some of my ribbon out after the Christmas season to go ahead and reuse it for Valentine's Day, like this cute little polka dot ribbon. I definitely will be popping into some of my Valentine's Day decor. So just think about that, where you guys want to store things, and that might help you with some more storage ideas. To me, it's perfectly clear I'm falling in love. So for the next tip I have for you guys is to take a gift wrap roll and cut it in half, and then you can use that to go ahead and wrap your deco mesh onto. So again, I repurpose and reuse so much of my decor, especially ribbon and deco mesh if it's in good enough shape. Sometimes it does have a tendency to fray, but this was a little pricier deco mesh that I had gotten at the thrift store because it was originally from Hobby Lobby. I have used some of my Dollar Tree deco mesh before, but it is a little bit more flimsy. So just take a peek what you can use. I'm also trimming off some of the frayed edges, and then I'm just going to go ahead and roll it on to that wrapping paper gift wrap roll, and that will kind of help it stay stored a little bit better. Again, I am going to leave this red out. I will be using some red in my Valentine's Day decor. I want to do some really big, beautiful garlands, one over my front door possibly if it's not too freezing cold. And so I thought that would be really fun and fabulous. So again, I'm very carefully trying to remove the mesh. The mesh was crisscrossed onto my tree with the little Christmas tree branches. And so I just wanted to go ahead and take that off and then roll it onto these gift wrap rolls. And then you could even use like a little rubber band or a hair tie to wrap around it to keep it on there. Another tip I have for you guys could see me checking my phone, is to put on some jamming out Christmas music. So I like to put a Christmas playlist on, or sometimes just regular motivating music, whatever you guys need to get you motivated to clean. That always helps me if I just go ahead and grab my phone and put a playlist on, something fun that I can jam out to. And I also do have to keep my phone nearby a lot right now because we have a lot going on with our kiddos with wrestling and dance and all kinds of fun stuff. So keeping that nearby is really important, but putting on some jamming out music helps me so much. The other tip I have for you guys is to put on some cleaning motivation. There's so many YouTubers out there that I love to watch that clean. I love Meg and Brianna K are probably my favorite cleaning ladies. They are so wonderful and motivating. I will link their channels down below for you guys, but they do a ton of amazing cleaning content, and that just gets me totally motivated to tidy up and clean. And I hope this video is helping you guys get motivated to tidy up and clean. I know so many of you guys were inspired to decorate for Christmas, and so I know because we did so much decorated, I wanted to help you guys just go ahead and get your tidy and cleaning motivation on. We're falling in love. Another fun little Christmas cleanup tip I have is to have your vacuum on hand and clean as you go. I have this Dyson vacuum. I absolutely love it. I'm going to link one for you guys in the Amazon store. It's probably the cheapest one that they make, but I'm telling you what, guys, it's so lightweight, and I finally found a vacuum that does not make my back hurt when I'm vacuuming. I think because it's so lightweight, and I love how the little handle twists. And anyway, video is totally not sponsored, but I just had to share that with you guys. If you guys have back problems and you want to splurge maybe on a little nice cleaning tool for yourself. I don't think I've ever had a nice vacuum in my life, and I feel like this one was worth it. So now you can see I'm just going ahead and finishing taking off my mantle decor here. If you guys are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. This is actually my little Christmas crafting studio. I'm going to be doing some more Christmas takedown in my home. I decorated so much. Oh my goodness, I have a lot of work to do ahead of me. And if you're still enjoying Christmas, fabulous. Just watch this video and have fun and maybe get some little ideas. So I am using the Method glass cleaner to clean up my glass. I love the Method glass cleaner in the mint. And then I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint all-purpose spray. Oh my goodness, I have to tell you guys, I have a 5-piece free gift set for you. I'm going to link it in the description box below if you want to try it out. It's with a $20 purchase with Grove Collaborative, but they have the most amazing cleaning products, and right now the peppermint, which is my absolute favorite, is 40% off. So I'm going to be loading up on that because I'm still going to be using it after Christmas. So for the next little tip I have for you guys too is to take a push pin, and if you have some fluffy bows that you want to repurpose and reuse but you don't want to crunch them up into a box, take a little push pin and push that pin through, and then just tack them into your storage closet wherever you're storing all of your ornaments, and then your fluffy bow will be just fine. And then the next tip I have for you, this is how I store my Christmas decor. I use boxes that I've ordered things in or that I've gotten for Christmas. I just repurpose and reuse those boxes. So for this box, this is a little bit larger of a box. It's one of my Grove Collaborative boxes. I kind of start a little pile of boxes after Christmas because I don't like to spend a lot of money on storage now. So it's not super cute storage, but it is free and I'm recycling. So I'm just adding in all of those peppermint Christmas ornaments, and then I'm reusing some of this tissue to wrap my breakable ones in. So I'm going to separate all the peppermint ornaments out from the red ornaments, and that way hopefully I'll kind of know what was in this box. And again, there's some of those cupcake ornaments. These are with breakable glass ornaments, so I'm just using using some tissue paper to kind of layer them into the box. And I do keep my Christmas stored in my little crafting closet, so it's not moved around a super ton. Now I'm only lightly taping this box. Here's another little tip I have for you guys. I just lightly tape my box, and then I start stacking them in a corner. And then when I'm finished putting everything in there, I'll go ahead and use a stronger tape. But if I have more peppermint ornaments, which I have in my kitchen, I'm going to add them into this box, so I don't have a lot of untaping to do, but I can stack them by going ahead and taping them closed. And then the other tip I have for you guys is I do go ahead and write exactly what the ornament style is and then the year that I used them. That way I know I've used these last year, and it will kind of jog my memory on what I have, because I remember decorating with the peppermint Christmas ornaments is from 2019, and so I'll really know kind of more what those are. And then in this smaller box, I'm just going to add in all of these red ornaments. Now, some of them are breakable, some of them aren't. I got them all at the thrift store. This is probably not the best way to store them. I will tell you guys that. But I'm going to be adding them into a larger tote. So this is just kind of like a little mini storage idea until I attack my house. So my house has a lot of red Christmas ornaments, and I'm going to want to put them all together. But for now, I just want to start like a little mini storage of them, put them in the corner, and then when I go for my huge Christmas takedown, I can just add those all together. Again, writing on them exactly what they are and when they are from, even if I don't end up using that box. So now I'm just going to clean up my little Christmas crafting table. This table gets cluttered so easily. I also have a little tip for you guys. When you start taking down your Christmas decor while you're playing your music and you have your yummy smelling cleaners out, always have a bottle of water on hand, because sometimes I'll work longer than I think I will, and having some water or maybe a cup of coffee and even a little snack when I'm out in my little crafting studio helps me out a lot. That way I don't get dehydrated and grumpy, and it just keeps me feeling that sense of joy as I'm working along. Each day we're together on the way, oh, we're falling in love. So I'm just going to finish up by going ahead and vacuuming and tidying this little space. And here is how my crafting studio looks now after I have reset it more for a winter decor. This is going to go through into New Year, and then after the New Year, I'll begin to decorate it for a Valentine's Day spring. So I'm going to do a lot of beautiful romantic decor is my idea for this. I'm thinking I'm going to surprise you guys really, but I'm really thinking that I want some florals in here. I love having the glow of the Christmas lights, so I like having them out here when I come out here to craft. It makes me so happy. So I just have the Christmas tree still on, and then over here on this corner I used just a white curtain and then put some Christmas lights underneath it. I felt that looks so soft and so pretty. Comment and let me know, as always, what was your favorite tip or trick in this video, and what tips or tricks do you guys have for me? I hope this gets you super motivated. So thank you all so much for joining me on this fun and fabulous tidying Christmas takedown motivation video. Definitely leave your tips and tricks for me down below. I would love to hear how you guys get motivated and how you all store all of your Christmas decor. I need all the help I can get. Crafting is my sweet spot, but organizing, I think I could use some tips and tricks for sure. So again, this is episode 5 in my huge Home Sweet Home series. You guys, we're gonna have the biggest jamming out Home Sweet Home party on my channel. We're gonna do a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift store makeovers, thrift store outfits of the day. We do not have to have drab homes during this snowy period. It can definitely be fab. So thank you guys again. I just wanna give you guys all a big hug. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thank you all for being here. It is a blessing and an honor, truly. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and are looking forward to the new year with me. And if you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe. It's totally free. I also have Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. So many of you guys have been connecting over there and sharing your fun projects that you're working on and your home decor. I love to see what you're up to. I get so many ideas from you guys as well.
I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. Check me out over there. I do behind the scenes of my crafty mama life and some good morning coffee every morning with you guys. So I love you all to the moon and back. I am gonna hug your hearts right now. We made it through the holidays. We are gonna get our Christmas motivation on to take things down and refresh and just look forward to the new year, because every day that God has given us is a new day. It's a new chance, it's a gift. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I love you. Remember, be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Come out here to say